Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Biscuit Brawl Qualifiers. We're going to start with Part 1, which is the first two events. We're starting with Escape the Circle. The rules of this event: get all 4 members outside of your circle as quickly as possible. The circle will spin around, and we'll start with Group A. Heat 1, Fairly Fairy, Fierce Fire, Night Lights. See that hole there? You have to try to escape through that. All 4 members have to escape in order for you to win. So far, Fierce and Fire is already done after just 2 rotations. Fairly, okay. Both Fairly and Nightlights have 1 each, and Fairly just finishes now, and now we'll go to double speed as, whatever this Nightlight member do, it doesn't really matter, we just want them to get out, and they finish in 3rd place. Heat 2, we have Kiwis, Oozers, and Paintballs. All these 3 teams have had pretty pitiful seasons. 12th, 14th, and 16th. And we start with only a single Kiwi leaving. And then, okay, I believe it's 2 for each except the Paintballs. Oh, but all of the Paintballs escape there, and the Paintballs get first. That just leaves 1 member of the Oozers and 1 member of the Kiwis after that Oozer member escaped. And the Kiwis are the only one left. And they finish right there. So Kiwis get 3rd, Oozers get 2nd. Heat 3, Cetacean Nation, Ghost Hunters, and the Golden Hearts. So we're going to start now. As you know, that bump over there, that's actually to, like, sort of randomize it so they don't get stuck in there forever. And it's 1 for each except the Ghost Hunters, who have 2. Now it is 1 for each. Ghost Hunters get 1 to escape, and will they finish here? Yes, they do. Cetacean Nation and Golden Hearts are the only 2 left, trying to fight for not the bottom 4 placement, because that would be bad. Cetacean Nation do escape, and Golden Hearts will be getting a bottom 4 finish. Not a great start for this, as they have yet to qualify. Then, 3rd for the Golden Hearts. We move on to Heat 4, Social Butterflies, Basketballers, and the Sunshiners. So we're gonna start now. Sunshiners still yet to qualify. Basketballers and Social Butterflies both qualified in Season 1. Basketballers only have 1 left, and they're done. Basketballers are already done. Sunshiners and Social Butterflies have 2 each, although now Social Butterflies have 1. Okay, 1 from each finishes there, so that just leaves us with 1 remaining member of the Sunshiners. We got double speed. And the Sunshiners are done in 3rd place. Now 9 to 12. This is to determine the bottom 4. Nightlights, Kiwis, Golden Hearts, and Sunshiners. So this is basically a fight for 9th place, although technically it's more of a fight for not last. And I believe it's the Sunshiners that had some. After that, I believe it's only 2 members of the Golden Hearts left. I believe so, and 3 of the Kiwis, 1 of the Nightlights. I believe all of the Sunshiners are done, so the Sunshiners will get 9th. 2 for the Golden Hearts, 2 for the Kiwis, 1 for the Nightlights, and Nightlights are done, so that just leaves the Golden Hearts and Kiwis. Who will start the qualifiers in last place? It will be the Kiwis. Golden Hearts get 11th, and Kiwis have to live with the fact that they are starting with 0 points. Hopefully they can make it up in the other events, but it's not likely. 5th to 8th round, so Fairly Oozers, Cetacean Nation, and the Social Butterflies. The top 2 will start in the top half, which will be a qualifying position, and the bottom 2 will not. After that, some remain from each team. Oh, that was really close. That's only Fairly and the Oozers are here, and Oozers already done. Fairly, 4 times speed. I wonder what happened. Oh, Fairly stuck here for quite a while. Okay, so Oozers got 10th. I believe Cetacean Nation got 5th. Yes, they did. Cetacean Nation got 5th. Social Butterflies got 6th. Fierce and Fire, Paintballs, Ghost Hunters, and Basketballers. So we'll be seeing them soon. Yep, here they are. This is the finals, so whoever wins here will win the first event. Basketballers are already done, I think. Yeah, the Basketballers are done. That just leaves Ghost Hunters, Paintballs, and Fierce and Fires. Paintballs are done, so they'll get 2nd. Good start for those previously not great teams. Well, I mean, Paintballs did get silver in Season 1, but awful in Season 2. That just leaves us with Fierce and Fire and the Ghost Hunters. Which of these 2 will make it? Ghost Hunters will get bronze, while the Fierce and Fire gets 4th. So, as we see the standings so far, basketballers, paintballers going well. Kiwis, Ghosts, Golden Hearts not so much. And now Group B, Beefy Bovines, Chlorophyll Crew, and the Bookworms. So, let's see how this will go. And Beefy Bovines are already done. One rotation, the Beefy Bovines are done, so they'll be moving on to the finals. Chlorophyll Crew and Bookworms. Oh, Bookworms are done now, just behind that cloud. That just leaves us with 2 members of the Chlorophyll Crew. They're taking quite a bit of time. Hopefully they can get out soon. Oh, there they go. And Chlorophyll Crew will be in the bottom 4 for this. Natural Disasters, Dark Dragons, and Sandy Plains. Dark Dragons, winner of Season 1. Not a great Season 2. All of these teams have perfect attendance so far. Hopefully they'll be able to keep them. Dark Dragons already have only 1, while the other 2 have 3. Oh, now it's 1 for everyone except Natural Disasters, who have 2. That was really close for the Natural Disasters Sandy Plains. Dark Dragons advanced there, so they're starting in the top 4. And Sandy Plains are done too, so that just leaves us with the Natural Disasters. So that one still has to go. Not leaving yet. Hopefully they'll be able to finish soon. And yep, there it is. Natural Disasters will get 3rd, Sandy Plains will get 2nd. Heat 3, Tree Huggers, Gas Giants, and the Mind Readers. Mind Readers, the only one to have not qualified, of these 3 to have not qualified yet. Tree Huggers still have 4, okay, now 3. The other 2 have 2 each. And the Mind Readers are done. So they'll be getting starting with top 4, which will really help them. And Gas Giants are done. Times 4th seed. That just leaves us with 3 members of the Chlorophyll Crew left. Quite a lot of chaos happening. And they finish. Heat 4, Dragonfly Dancers, Leapfrogs, and the Grape Shots. So, none of these teams have successfully qualified yet. And Grape Shots are already done, so that just leaves with the Dragonfly Dancers and the Leapfrogs trying to fight for, maybe a top half spot. Leapfrogs already down to only 1. And so are the Dragonfly Dancers. So it's a 1v1 to maybe get not bottom 4 position. And Dragonfly Dancers will escape. That just leaves us with the Leapfrogs, who do leave, but only in 3rd. So they'll be in the 9 and 12th round with Chlorophyll Crew, Natural Disasters, and the Tree Huggers. So let's see who will win this. Oh, Natural Disasters, only 1 left. A lot of green teams here, so they look pretty similar. I believe that's 1 for Chlorophyll Crew, 2 for Tree Hugger. Oh no, Chlorophyll Crew and Tree Huggers are done. I believe Chlorophyll Crew finished 1st, but either way, Leapfrogs will start in last. And yep, Chlorophyll Crew did finish 1st. Tree Huggers get 11th. Leapfrogs get 12th. 5 to 8th. Bookworm, Sandy Plains, Gas Giants, and Dragonfly Dancers. Only 2 of these teams will start in the top half. Who will it be? Interesting. I have no clue what happened there. 2 for most of them, I believe. I believe the Mind Readers are done already. I think. Yeah, there's still 2 for the Gas Giants. Yeah, Gas Giants will start in 8th. Sandy Plains gets... Oh, Sandy Plains got 5th. Oh, wait. Why was I talking about the Mind Readers? Here are the Mind Readers with the Grape Shots, Dark Dragons, and the Beefy Bovines in the finals. So, let's see how this will go. A few teams leaving there, but still no true winner. Oh, Dark Dragons only have 1. Will they win? Yes, they will. Dark Dragons will get gold in Group B. That just leaves us with Grape Shots, Beefy Bovines, and Mind Readers. All of them, I believe, have 2 each. This is taking quite a while, all things considered. So hopefully, one will be able to finish. Again, just bouncing around. I believe Grape Shots lost 1. So it's 2 each for everyone except the Grape Shots. Still anyone's game, clearly. Yeah, not a lot happening. They're not really leaving. Some are slowing down quite a bit. Will that help things out? Will they be able to escape now? Oh, Beefy Bovines lose 1, finally. And will the mind readers have 2? Will they lose one soon, or will one of the others finally get silver? No, grape shots and mind readers both lose one, so grape shots will get silver. Now it's a fight between the mind readers and the beefy bovines to see who will get 3rd and who will get 4th. Both rotating with the circle right now, although now falling at the very tippy top. Still anyone's game clearly, as none of them seem to be they're clearly trying to escape. And there it goes. Mind readers are done, so that just leaves us with the beefy bovines, who will get 4th. Mind readers will get 3rd, as you can see. Oh, there they go. And we move on to the standings. Dark Dragons, Grape Shot, Mind Readers starting well. Leapfrogs, Tree Huggers, Chlorophyll Crew, not so much. Now it's time for the Funnel Endurance, which is Event 2. Rules: stay in the funnels for as long as possible. The last one to finish gets 1st place. So you want to stay in the funnels for as long as possible. You don't want to finish. Group A, here's everyone. It's going too fast for me to, say all of them. But let's see how they will do. They'll be going right there. There's, I believe, 8 funnels. Slimy of the Oozer is doing poorly. Now it's Fairly Fairy. I believe that is Pixie. And now Hoop. Pixie and Hoop not doing so well. It looks like we're going to be focusing most on the teams that aren't doing as well, although it is the Ghost Hunters. I believe that's Spoopy and Slimy of the Oozers doing well. And finishing already, there's a lot of teams already. Slimy and Spoopy are the final 2, and who will win? It will be Slimy that beats Spoopy. Slimy of the Oozers will win, so hopefully we can get to see the results. It looks like Fires and Fire finished last, although the thing is weird. Fierce and Fire does finish last. Kiwi, Social Butterflies, Fairly Fairy, Cetacean Nation, Paintballs, Sunshiners, Golden Hearts, Nightlights, Basketballers, Ghost Hunters, and Oozers will podium. So these are the standings so far. Basketballers, Ghost Hunters, and Oozers doing well. Kiwis, Fairly Fairy need to step things up. And here is Group B. So here's everyone participating. Let's see how they will do in this event. Maybe we'll spend more time with the bottom part of the order. And they're rolling. Smog of the Dark Dragons, really good at funnels. I can tell you that much. Grape Shot's not doing well right now. I think that's Round, I want to say. Although now it's the Beefy Bohemians. No, Sandy Plains doing horribly now. A lot of marbles down there. Gas Giants, I believe that's Uranus in last right now. But who'll finish last? It looks like it's going to be Dark Dragons. Smog of the Dark Dragons will finish last, and actually it's the Grape Shots that win. The Grape Shots will win, and did the Leapfrogs get 2nd? I think the Leapfrogs actually got 2nd. So let's see, yeah, Smog did get last, followed by Bookworms, Mind Readers, Tree Huggers, Beefy Bovines, Sandy Plains, Natural Disasters, Chlorophyll Crew. And yeah, Leapfrogs get 2nd. Gas Giants got 4th. Dragonfly Dancers get bronze. Grape Shots will get the gold, and Dragonfly Dancers and Dark Dragons follow right behind, while Bookworms and Tree Huggers need to step things up in the next 2 events, which will be happening in Part 2 of the Biscuit Brawl. But until then, thank you all for watching. This is Rip Biscuit signing off.